Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A53s, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now to get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you got one of those, I'm gonna take off your case if you have one on. There we go. And the SIM tray is located on the upper left side of the device, so grab the pin, push it in, and the tray will pop out. Now on here you will have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. When it comes down to the SIM, it doesn't matter which place you occupy with the SIM card, you can occupy either one, and the SD card only goes into one place right over here. So once you place your cards on the tray, you can insert it back into the phone. And they should start working immediately, so just give it a second. There we go, there is the pin for the SIM card. So I'm gonna quickly confirm that. And SD card should be working as well. Let's see if we get some kind of pop-up right here. There we go. And there we go, there's the SD card as well. So anyway, this is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.